Hey everybody, if you want to create story in Facebook with music and multiple photos and you are wondering how to do so, you may follow these steps for that and you should be able to do it. Open up the Facebook application for that, and once you open up Facebook, you can directly look out for the create option, create story at the top of your feed and tap on it. After you tap on it, it will give you option to select medias. So what you need to do is basically look out for the collage option if you'd like to add multiple photos at once. So tap on collage and you can select up multiple pictures directly from here. So just go and do so. So for example, this is the particular screen you should be finding. So you can select up the image and select multiple image at once and tap on this next option. And once you tap on next, you can find the image being uploaded. Like you can find it being uploaded in multiple. If you want to add more pictures, you can directly look out for this add button on your right hand side and select up a media from your camera roll. So if you are okay with it once you've added your photos, the thing you need to do in order to add music is look out for the music icon in the right hand side at the top. So select music, and after you select music, you can search for music that is trending or the one that you would like to apply. So for example, this one right here. And you can keep the part that you would like to apply. You can swipe right for that, swipe left, right, and apply it up. You can even add on lyrics if you prefer and do so. Once you're okay with it, just tap on done. And you can place this right here wherever you want. And once you're okay with it, just tap on the share option. And it should start processing and it should start being uploaded on your story. And that's it, everybody. If you'd like to create a story with multiple photos and music, this is the method you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.